For a long while now, I've had quite an interest in a portable DC 12-volt refrigerator. I do a lot of camping, and I've always known them to be very energy efficient and useful in the outdoors. They look like someone just took a regular ice chest cooler and installed a coolant motor in the bottom. This one shipped quickly and arrived at my house within about 3 days from Amazon. Unfortunately, the delivery man left it upside down, even though the big arrows on the outside of the box specifically show which way it should be sitting. However, I'm glad to know that once I opened the package, there was some tape on the lid of the fridge that explained if the package was upside down during delivery, to leave it sitting upright for several hours, and then it would be fine to turn it on, which I did. It was packaged inside of 2 cardboard boxes, in addition to some thick foam padding on the inside, so needless to say, it was well protected through shipping. Included with the fridge is a white basket with middle divider, both a DC and an AC power cable to power it with, which I was very excited about. I actually only expected to see a DC power cable to use in the car while driving to camp or running it off a power station. With the AC cable, that means I can pack the fridge full of food inside my house all while it's cooling down to temperature, even the night before heading out. The interface looks good and is pretty simple for how to control the unit. There is also a light on the inside of the fridge that turns on automatically when the lid opens. This makes it very nice when opening it in the dark. I'm excited to review this unit and see how it will work out. I need to say that I received this product for free, but will try my best to be transparent in reviewing it. Look for links down below in the description. As an affiliate, I may receive a commission if you click them. I also have a list of various products I recommend below that you might want to check out. Please remember to hit the like button and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a good one.